The 3 white soldiers and 3 black crows are a reversal pattern that occurs at the end of a downtrend and an uptrend respectively. They can also be found after a short period of consolidation with no clear uptrend or downtrend. Despite its fancy and complicated name, this is a fairly easy pattern to spot in charts. All 3 candles that are part of this pattern are of the same type, opposite of the current trend prevailing in the market at the moment. To identify the 3 white soldiers or 3 black crows, look for these characteristics. First candlestick is also known as the reversal candle, which reflects a market sentiment opposite of the prevailing one, bullish at end of downtrend, bearish at end of uptrend. Second candlestick should have a bigger body than the first candlestick. It should also close near its high after a bullish first candle or near its low after a bearish first candle, thereby giving small upper and lower shadows respectively. Third candlestick should minimally have the same body size as the second candle with a short shadow or no shadow at all. The 3 white soldiers is a bullish reversal pattern and one of the most obvious patterns of its type. It forms after a downtrend and, occasionally, a short period of consolidation. It consists of 3 consecutive bullish candles fulfilling the above criteria. This should be a clear signal that price is likely to rise from now on. The 3 black crows, on the other hand, is a bearish reversal pattern and is an apparent display of an upcoming fall in price in the market. It forms after an uptrend and occasionally a short period of consolidation. It consists of 3 consecutive bearish candles fulfilling the above criteria. This should be a clear signal that price is likely to fall from now on. Let's have a look at the 3 white soldiers in action. As you can see, price was on a slight downtrend up until the moment where a strong 3 white soldiers pattern appeared. What do you expect to happen with the price from here on? As you can see, price definitely shot up after the 3 white soldiers appeared. Based on what you know and understand about candlestick setups thus far, this should not be a surprise and is possibly even a move you could have taken, since this setup indicates a bullish reversal for upward price movement. The price managed to rise from 1.31860 to 1.36713, which is a whopping 485 pips in total. For today it's all, and if this helped you understand better the topic, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video on the last triple candlestick setups, 3 inside down and 3 inside up.